Good morning, student. I am Aditya Vikram Rai, and I welcomes you in your online class Aditya Vikram Rai channel Aditya Vikram Rai. Okay, and today our topic is sports icons, and this unit is Unit 5, sports. And in this sports chapter, we have learned games, outdoor games, and indoor games, and after that we have learned sports equipment, and after that we have learned sporty terms. And today's our topic is sports icons. Okay, a sports icon is a symbol which represents a sport. You know that a sport icon is a symbol which represents a sport. It is unique for every sport, and people recognize a sport or a game activity by looking at the icon. Identify the sport and write in the space provided. Make use of the help kit. On first, you can see here a sports icon is a symbol which represents a sport, and it is unique for every sport. And people recognize a sport or a game activity by looking at the icon. On first, identify the sport and write in the space provided. Make use of the help kit. On first, you can see here that is boating, and and on second, the given icon is for polo, and that is icon for polo, sport icon for polo. And on third, that is skating. On third, that is skating, this icon is related to skating. On fourth, that is cycling, and on fourth, this icon is related to cycling. And on fifth, there is hockey. On fifth, there is hockey, this icon is related with hockey. And next is that is sixth, weightlifting, and this icon is related to weightlifting. And next is on 7, the next is golf. You can see here that on 7 this icon is related to golf, and on 8 that is icon of football. And this icon is related to football. And on 9 the given icon is related with swimming. Let's revise once again. A sport icon is a symbol which represents a sport. It is unique for every sport. People recognize the sport or a game activity by looking at the icon. Identify the sport and write in the space provided. Make use of the help kit. On first, the related icon is of boating. Okay, the spelling of boating is boating, boating. On second, the given icon is polo. The spelling of polo is polo, polo. And the next one is on third. The given icon is related to skating. And next one is on fourth. The given icon is related to cycling. The spelling of cycling is cycling, cycling. And on fifth, the given icon is related to hockey, and the spelling of hockey is hockey, hockey. On sixth, the given icon is related to weightlifting, and the spelling of weightlifting in WEIGST, LIFTING, weightlifting. And next one is goal. On 7th, the given on 7th that is golf. And this is related to golf. This icon is related to golf. And the next one is spelling of golf is GOLF. And the next one is football, and FWOTBALL, football. This icon is related to football. And the next one is swimming. On 9 the given is swimming. And you have to come the spelling of swimming SWIMMING, swimming. Now you have to come on adventurous sport. An adventurous sport. The next chapter is adventure sports. An adventure sport is generally considered physically hazardous. It features a combination of speed, height, danger, and spectacular stunts. An adventure sport is generally considered physically hazardous. It features a combination of speed, height, danger, and spectacular stunt. Identify the following popular adventure sport and write the names using the help kit. You can see here in first picture, that is bungee jumping. Bungee jumping, also spelled BUNGY, bungee jumping, is an activity that involves a person jumping from a great height while connected to a large elastic cord. The launching pad is usually erected on a tall structure such as a building or crane, or breeze across a deep ravine, or on natural geographic features such as cliff. It is also possible to jump from a type of aircraft that has the ability to hover above the ground, such as hot air balloon or helicopter. The thrill comes from the free falling and the rebound. When the person jumps, the cord is stretched and the jumper files upwards again as the cord recoils and continue to oscillate up and down until all the kinetic energy is dissipated. Okay, and the next one is, you can see here the next picture. The spelling of bungee jumping is BUNGEE, bungee, JUMPING, bungee jumping. On second, that is skiing. The spelling of skiing is SKIING, skiing. And you know that skiing is a means of transport using skis to glide on slope. Variation of purpose include basic transport or recreational activity and or a competitive winter sport. Many types of competitive skills events are recognized by the International Olympic Committee and the International Ski Federation. Okay, and the next one is on next that is the next one is river rafting. The spelling of river rafting is on third, that is river rafting, and the spelling for river rafting is RIVER, river, RAFTING, river rafting. And you know that rafting and whitewater rafting are recreational outdoor activities which use an inflatable raft to navigate a river or other body of water. This is often done on whitewater or different degrees of rough water. Dealing with risk and a need for teamwork is often a part of the experience. Okay, and the next one is on fourth. The next one is skydiving. Next is skydiving on fourth. The given picture is for skydiving, and the spelling for skydiving is SKYDIVING, skydiving. You know that skydiving is a hazardous game and feature a combination of speed, height, danger, and spectacular stunts. Parachuting is a method of transiting from a high point to earth with the aid of gravity, involving the control of speed during the descent using a parachute or parachutes. It will involve more or less free falling. The skydiving segment, which a period when the parachute has not yet been deployed and a body gradually accelerated to terminal velocity. And the next is surfing. The next one is on fifth. The next is surfing. The spelling for surfing is SURFING. Surfing. Surfing is a surface water pastime in which the same wave rider, referred to as a surfer, rides on the forward part or face of a moving wave, which usually carries the surfer towards the shore. Waves suitable for surfing are primarily found in the ocean, but can also be found in lakes or rivers in the form of standing wave or tidal wave. However, surfers can also utilize artificial waves such as those from boat wakes and waves created in artificial wave pools. And next, that is six, wind surfing. The next one is wind surfing, and you know that is wind surfing, and the spelling for wind surfing is WIND, wind, SURFING, wind surfing. This game is wind surfing is a surface water sport. Wind surfing is a surface water sport that is a combination of surfing and sailing. It is also referred to as sailboarding and board sailing, and emerged in the early 1970s from the surf culture of California. Windsurfing had gained a following across North America by the late 1970s and had achieved significant global popularity by the 1980s. Okay, and now you have to do this. Thank you so much.